Hello and a good day. Today I want to share my build of a semi-trailer on base of Tamiya cars. It's a 1.14 scale and the only thing I bought from Marketplace are the suspensions and the rear axles. You can buy all the things in a hobby store. I have chosen to make a flatbed trailer to accommodate my needs for transport for my tank and for my excavator. As you can see, there is not a lot of travel in the suspension, but it is enough. This is the whole assembly of the frame. And as you can see, it looks a bit flimsy, but in the reality it's strong enough to carry 7 kilos. So this is the test. The model on the back is a brooder. It's all made from plastic, but it's weighed down with metal, so it simulates the original weight. So these are the support legs, and I want to make them so I can control them remotely. I think you need to replace the shrink tube with something more sturdy. This will be the weakest link. If there is a heavy load on the support legs, it will tear the shrink tube. If you turn the battery around, it will retract. There is a micro switch to cut off the energy if the leg is totally retracted. it looks okay. It's not the real thing, I know, but for some old spare parts and some time, I find it very nice. The wiring is supported by a spring to prevent the wires from being damaged while turning the trailer. The other one is for the lights and goes all the way back. Here are the legs installed. You can make them nicer if you paint all the wires black, of course. The main deck is covered with some tape that you normally use on your stairs to prevent yourself from falling or slipping. But it looks okay. The trailer bed is made of wooden slates, tiny wooden slates glued together. Here you see it's almost too small, but that's the challenge. I could make it wider. It looks strange if you make the trailer too wide. Thank you for watching and have a good day.